Good morning, UM. I am Charlie Magnabi alias.
And I am Priscilla Narciso, ready to
Here
serve and
ready to give the latest news.
This is
UM Patrol.
Values. It is a characteristic of an individual and it depends on how he or she will take control of it. And Miss Vina will explain it further. Miss Vina?
Yes, Ms. Rochella, you're right. Values is a characteristic of individual and it depends on how he or she will take control of it. And yes, I am right here at the University of Mindanao Tagum College. Let's see if the students here have their own discipline. Look at that trash can. Do you think it shows discipline? And look that girl. Do you think she shows discipline? Look at two persons. They're trying to clean the mess. And that is called discipline. Back to you, Michelle.
Thank you, Vina, for that information. And now let us find out if the students here in UM campus have their own respect with their teachers.
Yes, Priscilla. And now we will try to see if the students here are showing respect with their teachers.
You don't have respect.
See, that shows respect.
For you, what is value and respect?
Thank you. For me, I think values is the standard norms of society, and respect, it is a value by how the people action inside and outside the community.
It was all our news, all about values. And we are hoping that the students here should always maintain their discipline and respect with anyone or everybody. And once again, this is the UM Patrol.